Oh, he's being shy when he's looking at his family book that I made. Where's Papa?
Papa?
That's right. There's Uncle Jared. Oh, did you want to look at Uncle Jared? You like Uncle Jared, don't you? Say Jared.
Ba. Ba. Ba.
Yeah, Annika. There's Aunt Karen, Uncle Steve. Aunt Kathy. Aunt Barb. Great Grandma. Auntie Ruthie. Uncle Jeff and Aunt Megan. Where's Papa? Before he was saying Papa. There's Aki. There's Mama. I think he likes this book. I put it together during his nap today. So he could have his family with him all the time. There's Uncle Jared. Aunt Andrea. Oh. Uncle Jared.
Ba.
Yeah. Do you love your new book? Because you love your whole family.